And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a college apartment shopping vlog kind of thing. And today I'm going to be doing some shopping at IKEA, and I am very excited. I move in about 3 days, and I'm just doing last minute shopping right now. And if you guys don't know, I'm actually going to be living in a townhome with one of my best friends, Jenny. And yeah, I'm so excited. We're pretty much done furnishing downstairs. All I have to really worry about is my bedroom upstairs. I technically don't have much up there yet, but yeah, I'm just slowly trying to figure it out. I still have like a week and a half before school starts, so that gives me plenty of time to focus on my room. But yeah guys, with all that said, let's get started with this shopping vlog. Guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my couch, and I actually ended up going with this one from IKEA, but I got it from Facebook Market for a very affordable price. So I definitely recommend checking out Facebook Market and seeing if anyone is selling any affordable pieces. But yeah, this is the one I went for, and mine is white though. They don't carry the white one anymore at IKEA, but yeah, this is the same style and everything. And I really like the wooden legs, and I also just really like the modern look to it. So yeah. Okay guys, so I made it downstairs, and right now I'm looking at some things here. I'm in the dinerware area, and I'm also going to be looking at some plants, and I'm also going to be looking into some new and final decor pieces that we need. And I actually move in 3 days, and I am so excited. So I'm just trying to do that last final shopping for our apartment. But yeah guys, I'm looking at the glassware, and I found these very cute pink cups. I don't think I'm going to be getting them this time around, but I think they're adorable and definitely go with the aesthetic we're going for. And this is how they look, and they're only 75 cents, and they have a variety of colors. But yeah, they're so cute in the color pink. I'm also looking for a comforter right now. I really like this one right here. It's only $60. I actually already have my duvet cover. I got it like 2 years back here at IKEA, but I didn't use it. So I think I'm going to be grabbing this one for that duvet cover that I already have. And it seems very comfy, so I'm very excited for this. Okay guys, this is the cutest basket ever. Every time I come to IKEA, I always see it, and I always want to get it. Right now I'm actually debating whether I should get it or not. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in our living room or in my bedroom, just to put like a blanket in there or something like that. I just think it is so pretty, and it definitely goes with the vibe we're going for. So yeah, I'm looking into that. If I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life in a ding dong, a lang a lang a lang. You up in boom 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again.
Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be